Hi everyone, and you're welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a shoot I did with a model. It's an outdoor shoot. I used one light for this shoot and it's actually turned out very awesome. You alright? Yeah, good. And you?
Oh my God,
you okay? Yeah, it's okay.
It's been so long. Thank you.
Okay. I'm actually expecting another person by 6:30, but we're gonna do yours first. Yeah. So tell me what you're going to wear today.
Sorry?
What are you wearing?
So just this, and I can take this out to
Okay.
go to the prom, or
Okay.
maybe I can have a cap on.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's see. Okay, that's Mercy and that's Gabriel. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna need your help now with the light. Let me close these. So let's start from here. So here, just want you to like, yeah,
Alright, sure.
something like that. I would like you to join me as I show you the behind the scene of how I did all this shit. So if the lights can come maybe here like this. Yeah, like that.
Checking go look at me.
No, not necessarily. Yeah. I'm gonna take another one for that. Also in the video I'll be showing you my camera settings as well as the lighting. Nice, I like that. So look at me here, so go to that side please. If you have learned one or two things from this video, please ensure to leave a comment below, and also if you like this type of video, please let me know. I'll give it a thumbs up, that's like, so that YouTube can suggest this video to several other people that can learn from this. I'm gonna come closer. Nice. Yeah. So bring the lights here, please. Yeah, you can stand here. So yeah, the lights like that. Like stay like that. Yeah, I'm gonna take one more. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna take another one. Cool. So let's do standing. Yeah. Oh no, here. Yeah. Let's do here. I use Photoshop to edit all these pictures, and it's actually turned out very great. So if you like me to create a preset so that I can give you for free, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Yeah. LACB. Oh, so you can, yeah, come down. So, ele jókòó bẹ́ẹ̀, ele jókòó síbi, àárín méjì, so kẹ́ bá mi. Yes. I'm gonna take another one for that. Yeah. One more. Do you need? I have a tent. Oh, okay. Hi, Nusha. You alright? Where are you? Yes. Yeah. Okay, cool. I'll see you. Alright, yeah, bye. So, okay, I'm gonna need to take a few things over here. Okay, let me see. All right, I'm gonna move this thing, so, yeah. Yeah. So let's take one here. Yeah. Yeah, so what I want you to do now is just like you stand here. Yeah, so
Yeah, sure.
yeah, something like that. Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you be so bye. Yeah, nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take one more. We actually took a lot of photographs on that day. I wish I can now I'll be putting every settings, but at the end of this video I'll be showing you all the pictures taken. Thanks for staying till the end, guys, and ensure to wait until you see all the pictures. I think I have about 10 to 20 pictures at the end of this video to show you, so that you can see how everything turns out. So let me know which picture you like best in the comment section. Let me know the post that you like also. So I will see you in the next one.